Today I'm going to talk about internet safety. It is really important to know that what you do on the internet can affect you in the real world. One thing that is really important is to not meet anyone that you talk to online. People do not always have the right intentions and could cause you a lot of harm. It is also important to not download random things you do not have a lot of information on. You should definitely talk to your parent before you download anything, especially from your email, because it could cause your device to get a virus. It is also important to keep personal information safe from internet hackers. You do not use any personal information in your screen name or username. It is also important to be safe when shopping online. You need to make sure to find online shopping websites that are reliable and have good reviews. It is also important to use safe ways to pay online and make sure that the website does not ask for unnecessary personal information. It is also important to choose safe websites when browsing online, because cybercriminals could use website names as bait to make people visit their website, and then it can take personal information from you when you don't know. It is also important to close accounts that you do not use anymore. Cybercriminals can use your unused accounts to put together information with the account you use now to take some of your personal information, especially if you put like your name, your birthday, or your family information. Clearly, internet safety is an important thing to keep in mind when you are browsing the internet, because you need to be aware of what you are sharing online.